welcome back to our channel. Happy Mother's Day. We're going to create a Mother's Day message in sand for all those mothers out there who work so hard all year long to be great mothers. And I've got our tools laid out on the driveway. And I've got Scruffy, who's going to help us on site. Say hi, Scruffy. Yes. And it's going to be a great day. Kathy and I are going to have so much fun with this. Stay tuned. Let's get right to it. We're headed off to Salt Creek Beach.
Morning, everybody.
Welcome back to our channel.
What are the other
we're
welcoming things that we say?
we say a lot of things, but
Hold on.
where are we headed, Twink?
Hi, everybody.
Kathy,
I'm
where are
over
we going?
here. We're in the van. Don't get car sick. I'm on my way to that. Okay. And I don't know how to work this camera, so it's bouncing all over the place because I've never done this
Well, you were
before.
driving.
Okay. So just hold on. All right. Quiet. We're moving. Okay. So listen. We're going down to the beach. Well, first of all, always over coffee and conversation. We're going down to the beach.
That's right.
And we checked the tide table. We're going to put that in this video too, so you can
Right.
see how ideal and the timing. And it's 9 o'clock our time, and at 10 o'clock we're going to have this beautiful tide, and we're going to do a Mother's Day piece, and you're going to love it. You're going to see the whole thing. And what else?
We're going to capture it with some time lapse and some drone.
Yeah,
footage. So
yeah.
It should be fun.
Sorry how horrible
So,
this is. My arms
let's
aren't
get right
long.
to it.
My
Ready?
arms aren't long enough for this. Okay, see you in a little bit.
We're rolling, Kathy.
Okay, great.
Oh, we haven't. You got some time for us?
We've got an all-day pass. Right?
Awesome. Thank you,
so
sir.
much.
Happy Mother's Day to you. All right, look at that. Our
All
morning
right, well,
starts off
good.
with a
Good.
free pass. Thank you. All day.
All right, well, we're blessed. The
We're
gods
blessed.
are with us. So we just got an all-day parking pass handed to us. Oh, I'm just going to probably get in trouble later from this nice man. So we're going to go down now. We've loaded up our doggy buggy.
And Scruffy's ready.
And we're going to go down and make this piece. And we'll get some really nice footage for you while we're making this piece of art for you. In fact, where is the art? We'll show that later.
Yeah, we'll show the art
All right,
later.
see you
Let's
soon.
go.
Okay. All right, so we're down at the beach. We got our base camp set up. And this is the art.
That's right.
This is the
I love
art
you, Mom.
that we will be
Mother's
doing.
Day. I
So
love it.
zoom in on that.
I did.
I don't know if it's going to have that many flowers.
We just don't
Things
have.
get a little changed in work and translation.
We just don't have that much beach today.
Well, the
We have to
tide
wait.
said
Yeah.
10 o'clock. So when you see the photo we put up, we got 15 minutes.
Yeah, it's going out, and hopefully that'll help us get more canvas.
Okay, so we're doing this on the fly. This was over morning coffee. We came up with this idea, so we forgot our tripods. So Greg's improvising with the time-lapse camera.
My mini tripod for the day. I guess you improvise when you don't have all of your tools. We've started, and Kathy's starting to rake the very top of the heart. And I'm going to continue with the layout. I pushed it as far to the tide as I could, knowing the tide's going out. We might have a sneaker wave that comes in and gets us. But hey, that's part of the life of a sand sculptor.
My name is Sunny.
Hi, Sunny. Thanks for helping us today.
Of course,
I can't
I'd love
wait
to.
to have you help and make this even more special for those moms on Mother's Day.
Absolutely. I'm mom myself, so it's going to be such a loving thing to do. Happy Mother's Day.
Nice work, Sunny. I love the alignment, having the strokes go from the center. That's beautiful. Keep up the good work, Sunny. Happy Mother's Day. Nice job, Kathy, with these letters. They're looking great. Super work. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. I finished the scribing for the I Love You Mom Mother's Day sculpture. And Kathy and Sunny are starting to fill in the flowers and finishing the I love you message. Headed off to a great start. I think I'm gonna take some drone photography now real quick and see how this is looking from above.
So we're done with the piece now. The drone is down. It kind of ran out of battery. But anyway, we had a couple of interesting things happen when we came down here. When we were walking down and coming through the tunnel, Greg said, maybe we'll get someone to help us. And we both got really quiet. And then I said, positive thinking. And then while we were down here working, Sunny came and asked if she could help. And I think she had a really good time. Mother's Day, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this piece that we made for you. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. And we can't wait to join you on our next sand sculpture journey. Bye.